Manipuri feature film Sunita has bagged the Best Manipuri Film Award at the 72nd National Film Awards 2024. The award falls under the regional category, which has classifications for each language enlisted in the 8 schedules of the Constitution. Speaking exclusively to SKTV, the director of the film, Yumnam Ajit, asserted that making a biopic based on the real life of Moirangthem Sunita Devi and presenting it to the public was not an easy task. Highlighting the struggles he faced during production, he said that the script was changed 7 times over a span of 4 years. He expressed his elation that the film ultimately won a prestigious award despite these hardships. Emphasizing their financial struggles, Ajit stated that high-end equipment were rented from Sony Venice in Guwahati at a steep cost of 24,000 rupees per day. The director also stressed the urgent need for an effective film policy to support Manipuri cinema, aiding that it will greatly alleviate the financial woes of local filmmakers.
Aina tokjo film ama national award fangin lauthurok pada haraudo mi leroi ai tasem kyam harau yam nungai hetare maramdi aina expect tawrudaba porama sadani taaba nungai bado edum fangi challenges haragadi biopic ma number jarai boramdre aduju juji hingi ba mi amagi biopic habidi mi amagi story aina ta hapchun ba yade dana ko akoina khalli je ko film ka ayambani koi manipur sine policies na amutang enforce to wiragadi je koi wakan maramdi kai na haikana koi seda financier na producer ji leiti ba Hajana policy magi makha semdoga grant natragana any loan wagera mo wagera 1 crore natraga di film number je ya pontieba adi akoi su namjaba ni ko ya pontieba asengba scale number adi number 1 akoi state film policy le hen ma dakar le adu natriga di akoi film putok yang wagi ni